I would like to share this verse in Matthew 6, about our eyes being the lamp or the light of our body. I get to realize na kung saan pala pinupunto, saan mo laging pinofocus yung mga mata mo, doon ka mas nag-aalala, doon ka mas nako-consume. That our eye is the lamp of our body. Kung corrupted man tong katawan, kaisipan, damdamin, is so corrupted by anxiety, it is because my eye focus on that thing na hindi nagbe-benefit sa akin. And I appreciate that the Lord wants us to be wise, not wise in this world, but to be wise on how we could nourish our spiritual body, our physical body. And grabe ang Word of God. Grabe ang kanyang mga salita. It is giving us the wisdom on how we could walk through day by day. Even kung work-related man, family-related, personal-related, friendship-related, na talagang ang Word of God, it is a guide given by God that we should seek, na as we meditate it day and night, hindi dapat nakakalimutan o nakakaligtaan. And yan, that our eye is the lamp of our body.